welcome back to my channel. Happy Pride Month. I know it's coming to an end, but nonetheless, I still wanted to do a fun tie-dye look for summer and make it super colorful for Pride. I'm living for this rainbow eyeshadow, and I took inspiration from SG on the Beat and Tias.mua on Insta, but I just did my own twist to it. So if you guys would like to see how I did this tie-dye inspired makeup look, then please keep on watching. Prior to filming, I cleaned up my brows and applied the concealer all over my lids and set it with powder so I have a clean canvas to work on. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer to create my eyeshadow shape, and I'm blinking since I have hooded eyes so I have a nice guide. And now I'm just cutting my crease and I'll be winging it out as well. Once I'm satisfied with my eye shape, I'll be leaving it wet rather than setting it so the colors are more vibrant. And before I go in with my shadow, I'm making sure I have no creases. For this look, I'll be using my BH Cosmetics Taking Back to Brazil palette. I'm taking that red shade on an e.l.f. brush, and I'm doing a spiral shape. So the best way I can explain it is like a half heart with a little curve at the end. So this is basically going to be your base for all the shadows to come. So I'm just taking my time on this part and making sure it's really vibrant. And I'm making the spiral super thick so when I apply other shades, it's easier to blend. And you should be left with a spiral shape like so. I'm taking my Insta Clean brush cleaner, and this is really good when you want to clean your brush in between shadows, since I'll be using the same brush for this look. And as you can see, the brush is now completely clean of the prior eyeshadow. I'm mixing these two purple shades and I'm creating that same spiral shape right next to the red shade. And to blend these shades, I'm slightly packing them on top of one another so it creates a nice blend. I'm mixing these two blue shades and I'm doing the same spiral shape and making sure I'm blending it into the purple shade and also making it thick. I'm mixing these three green shades, and for this spiral we're going to be working on the opposite direction, so I'm just doing that first upper part, and there is a little gap but we'll be filling that in later. Now with these two yellow shades, I'm going to be working also in the opposite direction, and I'm filling in that gap where the red is, so it's going to be like a yin and yang type of look. I'm also blending this one into the red slightly and also into the green. Mixing these two orange shades, I'm applying this color right next to the yellow shade and slightly applying it right in between the yellow and the red, and then also applying it right on top and next to the yellow shade. I'm dipping back into that red shade, and then I'm going to start to do lines because you know there's no more room for spirals, but you want to make sure when you do the lines they have more of a curve to mimic that spiral look, and that's really going to give the illusion of the tie-dye. And after the red, I'll be going in with purple, then blue, and then finally green. Now moving on to the other side, I'm going in with the green shades and I'm applying it right next to that blue shade. And remember when we first did the green, I told you we had a little gap up top, so this is the time where you can fill it in because it'll create that circle. And now it's time for the curved lines, so I'm going in with yellow, then orange, red, purple, blue, and then finally green. I'm using this gold liquid eyeshadow by Appeal Cosmetics, and I'm going to be outlining the tie-dye. And I'm using this e.l.f. wand from a different liquid eyeshadow because the wand that this one has is a little too thick. I did the rest of my makeup off camera. Moving on to the bottom lash line, I'm going in with green, blue, purple, red, orange, and then finally yellow. And I'm using this Moprhe M408 brush. And I'm applying my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara to my bottom lashes. And if you guys haven't tried this mascara, you guys have to, especially if you guys have tiny lashes. This works wonders. I'm going in the shade Mahu and Get Laid from the Moprhe X Bretman palette and applying it for my inner corner highlight. And this is the final result for this tie-dye eye look. And I just love how all the colors really pop. I just love the whole tie-dye illusion it gives off. Definitely try this out. It's super fun. Even if you guys try different colors, I know for a fact it'll look super pretty. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more creative looks like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.